Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. Hyundai India has introduced its N Performance brand in India, with the i20 N line being the first variant to be launched in India. This new Hyundai i20 N line variant is essentially a more premium, performance-oriented variant of the Hyundai i20, which will be available only through the Hyundai signature outlets, which are present in 97 cities across India. Compared to the full-blown, performance-oriented N cars from Hyundai, the N-line models get a sportier setup along with cosmetic upgrades, offering the very same turbo petrol engine. First, let's talk about the exterior differences. Compared to the standard i20, this i20 N-line gets a new sportier front bumper with deep-set front fog lamp housing, sporty red accents, a front splitter, and the N-line logo. The front grille design is inspired by a checkered flag, which also features the N-line logo. Along with these changes at the front, the Hyundai i20 N-line also claims to feature a more sportier bonnet with more prominent creases. From the side profile, while the overall body looks quite similar to the standard i20, this new i20 N-line gets new design 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, a side sill garnish with red inserts, red painted front brake calipers, along with disc brakes for the rear as well. At the rear, the i20 N-line gets a sportier rear bumper with a prominent diffuser, a tailgate spoiler with side wings, and a dark chrome garnish connecting the two LED tail lamps. The major talking point of the N-line i20 is the twin exhaust pipes through which the i20 N-line claims to provide a sportier exhaust note. Coming to the interior, the i20 N-line features the very same dashboard and interior design and layout with an all-black treatment, while also featuring red highlights and red ambient lighting. The leatherette seats also get a black and red theme with a checkered flag-inspired design, along with the N branding being embossed in the seats. The red highlights have also been carried forward to the door pads, the control knobs of the AC vents, and the gear lever, which also gets red stitching. Apart from the unique design of the gear levers, the i20 N-line also provides a bespoke 3-spoke steering wheel, also featuring cruise control and the N branding. This N-line, being the topmost variant of the i20 range, provides all the features available on the standard Asta optional variant, including a large 10.25-inch touchscreen system, a fully digital instrument cluster, wireless phone charging, cruise control, automatic headlamps, automatic climate control, electric sunroof, a 7-speaker Bose surround sound system, and smart key access with push-button start. The i20 N-line also offers an updated version of the BlueLink app, which gets new voice recognition features, which can control the power windows and the sunroof, along with 16 free over-the-air map updates. As standard, this i20 N-line variant provides all safety features including 6 airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, reverse parking camera, electronic stability control with vehicle stability management, hill assist control, pre-tensioner equipped seat belts, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and an auto-dimming IRVM. This new Hyundai i20 N-line variant is available only with a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 120 PS of maximum power and 172 Nm of maximum torque. Buyers will have the option of a 6-speed IMT gearbox or the 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. However, only the 7-speed DCT gearbox will provide paddle shifters for a more sportier driving experience. Apart from just the cosmetic updates, the i20 N-line also offers a sportier suspension setup and all-wheel disc brakes, claiming to provide better handling and a sportier driving feel. Bookings for the new Hyundai i20 N-line top-spec sporty variant can be done at Hyundai signature dealerships for Rs 25,000. While the official pricing is yet to be revealed, these N-line variants are expected to be priced around Rs 1 to 1.5 lakh more than the standard Asta optional variant. Stay tuned for further updates regarding the new Hyundai i20 N-line sporty variant. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.